here you can see I've installed the heat wrap from the cylinder head all the way to the collector. I got a nice tight wind on the product. It was relatively easy to work with. I was just worried about how close the headers were to the intake manifold in some areas, and this is just an attempt to kind of dissipate some of that heat. But overall, I'm happy. Came out pretty nice. I guess one quick tip is to make sure you cut the right length, because you can't wrap a 50-foot long roll around some of that piping. You got to cut the right specific length, and then you're good to go. But other than that, it was relatively easy. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.